Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find this section, so sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to this ringtone section, as you can see, the first option is the option we're looking for. We can divide it between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool because you can set totally different ringtones for both SIM cards. Of course, give all the permissions, and here you can choose for which SIM card you want to change the ringtone. Right here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, we can tap on music on device, and we will be transferred to our own files if we have any, and we will be able to send them as a ringtone. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got this option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the option and listen whether you like it or not. For example, this one. And it's too loud. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on it and decide whether you like it. And let's pretend I like this beauty moment. I'd like to set it as a ringtone, so make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.